Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see a PG Diploma admission notification. Here the institute is Asian College of Journalism. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel so that you will get instant admission notifications as we update as video. So here comes the Asian College of Journalism. So it is in Chennai. So it is offering a PG Diploma which is in mass communication and journalism. So here comes the eligibility criteria. If you are having bachelor's degree from any of the university in India or else from the foreign, so in any discipline you are eligible. So here comes the application procedure. So either you can submit the online form or else offline form, but you have to send in a hard copy. Here the application cost which is 2360 rupees, so it is included with 18% of the GST. So there are two programs. So one is normal communication and journalism, and the second one is investigative journalism. So if you are applying for the two courses at the same time, so the application cost is 3540 rupees including of 18% GST. So either you can transaction in online also, or else you can make a DD, demand draft, in favor of Media Development Foundation. So it is payable at Chennai. You can make it, and you can see that the SC/ST applicants are exempt from the application fee on production of their community certificate. So if you are belongs to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community, then you can apply to Asian College of Journalism. By showing your community certificate, you can get the exemption of the application fee. You can see that the last date for receiving application is April 20. So since the coronavirus attack is there, so there is the note for that entrance examination and interview in view of the evolving situation related to COVID-19 coronavirus disease. Please note the change in the entrance exam and interview procedures. So you can see that the examination will be held online in real time. So it is Sunday, May 17, 2020. So the examination time is between 10 a.m. to 12 noon. And you can see that the candidates will receive an email between May 12 and May 15 regarding the detailed online examination on May 17. So you have to be very aware of that. You have to check continuously your mail. And you can see that the interview will be on. You can see that the appointed time on any day between May 30 and June 3. So you can see that the names of applicants shortlisted for the interview will be posted on our website by May 23, 2020. So here comes the final admission process. It will be on June 4th, 2020. The result will be published in the Asian College of Journalism. So here comes 3-4 points we have to remember. One is we have to check our mail earlier regular basis, and then we have to check the Asian College of Journalism site regularly, and we have to make the payment regularly, and we have to be aware of our interview date also. Then we have to check the final result, that also on June 4th we have to check. So if you like this video, please do share to your friends, and to get more videos, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.